Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the FIA debuff type and urgency. Look at the icon and stack number. Next, activate your cleanser item immediately and use a short cooldown defensive to hold through removal. Once done, pull slightly away from the nearest damage source to prevent instant reapply. Repositioning matters. Make sure to keep one quick slot reserved for emergency cleanse and another for a follow-up buff. This prevents wasted inputs and sets you up for controlled reapplication rather than panic. You now run the removal sequence, trigger the instant purge, then chain a short interrupt to block any new casting that reapplies FIA. While doing this, layer a brief crowd control on nearby ads and bleed sources. This reduces reapplication risk. Once the immediate threat is neutralized, cast your longer-lasting anti-debuff buff and time heals to overlap the cleanse window. Make sure to watch cooldown timers and rotate consumables every 30 to 45 seconds, so your anti-debuff uptime stays consistent. You finish by confirming the FIA debuff is gone for a safe buffer, hold off engaging for 6 to 8 seconds, and use a slow approach to reassess. If the debuff reappears quickly, cancel your current animation, cleanse again, and move farther from the source. Prevention beats repeated cleanses. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap into an immunity or high-resist skill during burst phases. This buys time for cooldowns to reset and prevents cascading failures when multiple sources try to reapply FIA.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.